Hello and welcome to the Crypto Market Ads Marketplace. In this video, I will show you how to add your service to the CMA marketplace. First, you need to register an account. Click here and click on Sign Up New Account. Type in your username, email and password. It has to be a minimum of 10 characters. After you have successfully logged in, click on Add New Property. Now you have to choose what type of property would you like to publish. The CMA marketplace offers a wide choice of properties you can add on the marketplace. Bitcoin Talk signatures, social channels, website ad banner advertisement and article publishing, eco-listing sites, email lists sending newsletters, marketing services for people offering a large combined package of services, blockchain services, advisors, community support, and exchange listing. Let's put up my Bitcoin forum signature spot for sale. Write a clean property title for others to see. Proceed by giving a small description of your property. Add the link to your Bitcoin Talk profile page. To get it, go to your Bitcoin Talks profile page and click on Forum Profile Information. Copy this information from the URL until the end of the user number. Paste it here. Next, choose the price you would like to sell your signature spot for a day. 1 CMA token is equal to $0.01 US. Then write the number of minimum posts you're going to make per day. And finally, click on Create New. The property has been saved successfully.